The power of context, boosting your English comprehension. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be focusing on an incredibly powerful tool in our arsenal, one that can significantly boost your English comprehension skills, using context clues. Context clues are vital when we come across new or confusing words or phrases. Instead of immediately reaching for a dictionary, we can often figure out the meaning of these words based on the context they're used in. Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book, text, or even conversation. These clues can appear within the same sentence as the word to which they refer, or they could be in a preceding or succeeding sentence. Using context clues allows us to use reasoning and our background knowledge to make an educated guess about the meaning of unknown words. Context clues typically come in 4 types: definition, synonym, antonym, and inference. 1. Definition clues explicitly define the unknown word in the sentence itself. For example, arachnophobia, a fear of spiders, affects many people. 2. Synonym clues will offer a synonym to help understand the unknown word. For instance, the old man was cantankerous, very grumpy and ill-tempered. 3. Antonym clues provide a contrast to the unknown word to infer its meaning. For instance, unlike his jovial friend, John was morose and did not enjoy the party. 4. Inference clues are slightly more challenging, where the sentence or following sentences give information that helps us infer the meaning. For example, he was feeling quite lugubrious. He hadn't smiled once all day. One of the best ways to get better at using context clues is through practice. As you read or listen to English, pause when you find a new word. Before looking it up, try to guess the meaning based on the context. Try doing this consistently, and you will soon find that your comprehension skills are rapidly improving. Finally, some quick tips for using context clues. 1. Don't rush. Give yourself time to think about what the word could mean. 2. Use surrounding words and sentences. Context clues aren't always in the immediate vicinity. 3. Understand that your guess might not be perfect. That's okay. The goal is to understand the overall meaning, not to get a dictionary definition. 4. Practice makes perfect. The more you use context clues, the better you will become at it. So, that wraps up our discussion on using context clues to boost your English comprehension. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. So, enjoy the process, keep practicing, and you will continue to improve. As always, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next English language learning video. Happy learning!